Teachers and my dear friends, let's start today's assembly by remembering God, whose blessings boost our energy to lead through thick and thin. Prayers purifies our mind and takes away negativity. Now I would like to invite Smita ma'am along with the choir for morning prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for the Thoughts has the potential to inspire, motivate and illuminate thousands of minds. I would like to invite Miss Trisha Daphole to share thought of the day with us.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Trisha Amita Pule. I study in grade 6. I am here to present thought of the day. Teacher open the door, but you must enter by yourself. Thank you and have a great day.
Learning a new word each day adds to your overall vocabulary and allows us to express more effectively. Now I would like to invite Master Lokesh Kodapte to present word of the day.
Good morning, respected principals and teachers, my dear friends. I am Lokesh Kodake. I study in grade 4. I am here to present word of the day. What commission it means a special group delegated to consider some matters and can have a wonderful day.
Now it is time for the GK questions, which will help you in generating social awareness and support the mental development. To present the GK questions, I would like to call Miss Prapti Bavankar.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Prapti Bavankar from grade 5th. Today I am here to present the GK questions. My first question is, where is the headquarters of United Nations Organization UNO located? Yes, the correct answer is New York. My second question is, which is the busiest bridge in the India? Yes, the correct answer is Howrah Bridge in Kolkata. My third question is, which was the first country to issue stamps? Yes, the correct answer is Britain. My fourth question is, which acid is naturally found in fruit? Yes, the correct answer is citric acid. My fifth and last question is, which metal is liquid at room temperature? Yes, the correct answer is mercury. Thank you and happy marvelous day to all.
Develops a deeper understanding of figurative language by identifying the visual representation of idioms. I request Master Charitra Chankapure to present idioms and phrases of the day.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, my dear friends. I am Charitra Roshan Chantakure. I am from grade 6. I am here to present idioms and phrases. First, to see red means to be furious. Second, the best of both worlds means an ideal situation. Third, roll out the red carpet means to meet and greet someone formally. Thank you and have a productive day.
Topic of the day sets a positive tone of motivation and allows to focus on our goals. I call upon Master Yogi Charpe to present the topic of the day.
Good morning to respected principals, sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Yogi Bharat Charpe from class 8. Today I am presenting the topic of the day. Shubhanshu Shukla was born in Lucknow. His father Shambhu Dayal Shukla was a retired government officer and his mother Asha Shukla was a homemaker. He completed his schooling in City Montessori School. After that, he completed his MSc in Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. After that, he joined the Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi for his PhD. Shubhanshu Shukla was a group captain and test pilot with Indian Air Force and Gagan Yatri with Indian Space Research Organization. As of July 2025, he is serving as the mission pilot for Axiom Mission 4, a privately organized to the International Space Station. Thank you and have an awesome day.
Stories enable students to learn and practice kindness towards others and teaches us life lessons. I request Ms. Vedakshi Bonde to present a story.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Vedakshi Bonde and I am from class 8. I am here to present the story. The name of the story is The Girl with No Hands. Jessica Cox was born in USA. She had no arms. From childhood, people thought that she would always depend on others. But Jessica had other plans. She learned to eat, write, and even put on makeup using her feet. That wasn't all. She learned to drive a car, type, and fly an aeroplane without hands. She became the first licensed armless pilot in the world and now travels around the globe to inspire others. The moral of the story is, what people see as your weakness can become your greatest strength if you believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, even the impossible becomes possible. Thank you and have a fabulous day.
The day broadens our general knowledge and develops a sense of global awareness. Here comes Ms. Gunjan Madankar to present the significance of the day.
Good morning, respected principals, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Gunjan Madankar from grade 9. I am here to present significance of the day. Significance of historical events. On 22nd July in 2019, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, successfully launched Chandrayaan 2. It was India's second lunar exploration mission. Second, on 22nd July in 1991, Indian Finance Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh presented a landmark budget. Third, in 1947, National flag of India was officially adopted by Constituent Assembly. Thank you and have a great day to all.
News keeps us updated with the current affairs in our country and around the world. Here comes Master Gurunand Kamli with the news headlines.
Good morning, respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Gurunand Kamli and I am in grade 10. I am here to present news headlines. Student Eco Warriors fight air pollution. Delhi schools and eco clubs, as part of the National Clean Air Program, are organizing monthly missions from plastic-free zones to dust control to tackle pollution. India's test squad hit by injuries. Nitish Kumar Reddy and Arshdeep Singh ruled out of the upcoming fourth test at Old Trafford, a major concern for team strategy. Tsunami warnings near Russia's Kamchatka coast. A series of earthquakes trigger alerts. Coastal areas remain on watch. Mumbai Film Festival MAMI 2025 cancelled. Filmmaker Hansal Mehta called the decision a cruel irony, expressing disappointment over the festival's abrupt cancellation. Devastating jet crash in Dhaka. A Bangladeshi military jet crashed into a school, causing at least 19 deaths and over 100 injuries. Thank you and have a cheerful day.
Our pledge reminds us of our duties for our nation, society and people to express our commitment for our nation. We will take pledge. I invite Ms. Sanskruti Gawande to deliver the pledge. Everyone raise their right hand for the pledge.
India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of it. I am proud of it. Rich and very heritage. third sing. To my country, and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being, and prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Request Principal Sir to address the assembly.
Morning, children. Good morning, sir. All good? Yes, sir. Fit and fine? Yes, sir. Safe and sound? Yes, sir. Hale and hearty? Yes, sir. There are few announcements. Number one, we have received the forms for the National Science Olympiad. Those children who are interested, they can collect the forms and the necessary documents, prospectus from Hema Madam. I will be handing it over to her so you can collect. Now there is a small story which I would like to narrate it. There was a farmer, एक किसान था और बड़ा मेहनती था, रात दिन मेहनत करता था. He was working very hard. And every morning he used to go to his farm and would return in the evening. अब उनके 4 बेटे थे, लेकिन चारों के चारों बेटे जो थे बड़े निकम्मे थे, आलसी थे. With the passage of time, the farmer became very old. बच्चे जवान हो गए, लेकिन ये जो बच्चे थे चारों के चारों कोई भी काम नहीं करते थे. बेचारा बूढ़ा आदमी खेत में जाता था, काम करता था, अपना परिवार चलाता था. बट द टाइम केम दैट ही बिकेम सिक. समय आ गया, बुढ़ापे के कारण बीमार पड़ गया. ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू गो टू द फार्म. अब उनको चिंता लगी कि मेरे बेटों का क्या होगा, ये तो बड़े निकम्मे, खेती में नहीं जाते, काम नहीं करते, कुछ नहीं करते. व्हाट आर दे गोइंग टू डू इट? एंड ही थॉट ऑफ अ प्लान. फिर चारों बेटों को बुलाया उन्होंने, किसान ने. तो ये कहा, तुम्हें बेटा जिंदगी भर में तो काम करते रहा. आई हैव बीन वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ, बट यू आर नॉट पेइंग एनी हिट, यू आर नॉट वर्किंग एट ऑल. अभी मैं आपको आपकी जिंदगी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. यू शुड हैव अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल लाइफ. तो अपना जो खेत है, उस खेत में मुझे अभी याद नहीं आ रहा, मैंने एक सोने का हंडा जो है जमीन में गाड़ के रखा. सोने का हंडा है वहां पे, लेकिन कहाँ है मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. अब चारों बेटे तो निकम्मे थे, कभी जिंदगी में काम नहीं किया था, तो उनको लालच में आ गए. उन्होंने कहा चलो भाई खेत में जाके खुदाई करते हैं. दे स्टार्टेड वर्किंग डे एंड नाइट. भाई सोने का हंडा कहाँ मिलेगा, लालच इधर पूरी बना होती है. तो लालच के चक्कर में खोदते गए, लेकिन कुछ भी हाथ में नहीं लगा. इन द मीन टाइम द ओल्ड मैन डाइड. द ओल्ड मैन, जो बूढ़ा किसान था, उसकी डेथ हो गई. अब चारों बेटे आ गए कि भाई यार हमने इतना खेत पूरा इधर से उधर चारों तरफ से खुदाई की, लेकिन हमारे हाथ में तो कुछ नहीं मिला. Then it started raining, monsoon season came. अभी चारों ने सोचा कि भाई अपने पिताजी तो इतने काम करते थे, हड्डा तो मिला नहीं सोने का. Why not to cultivate the land? And they started cultivating the land. और उस साल उनको बम्पर क्रॉप मिला और भाई पैसा भी मिला. The moral of the story is when they started working, they started getting the yield. So the hard work, you can get everything and anything in your life. अगर आप काम से दूर भागोगे तो you will not get anything in your life. You will have to work hard in order to get anything and everything. This is the moral of the story. And thereafter, all these 4 children, they started working very hard. जिंदगी में उनको सोने का हंडा तो कभी मिला ही नहीं, लेकिन जो खेत मिला था, पिताजी ने जो दिया था, उस खेत में खेती बाड़ी करते रहे अच्छे. And this all these 4 children, they flourished in future like anything. Thank you very much.
Singing national anthem evokes a sense of pride and loyalty towards the country. So let us get prepared to sing the most valuable and respectable song, our national anthem.
Studies, attention! Studies, attention! Start the national anthem. की भारत माता की भारत माता की Sanities. Assembly disperse. Assembly march on.
We have now reached the conclusion to our school morning assembly of today. Have a good and productive day. Thank you.